Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're working on our 2004 Volvo XC90, and I want to show you something very basic, checking and topping off your washer fluid. We're going to come right over here to the vehicle. Right here we have our imaginary washer fluid cap. We're just going to take it, pop it open, flip it off to the side. Right inside here is where you're going to add your washer fluid. You can use whatever type you like. They sell all different types. Some are great for winter, some are for summer, some are great for bugs. Whatever your situation or your preference, just go ahead and top it off. There we are. Now that we have it filled up, we're just going to take our cap, flip it over, make sure this is covered. Down the road we go. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.